Hi, this is Soren, and today we're at Flying L Racing. It's an invite-only car meet. This lady named Lisa Taylor, she's a super nice lady. I've seen her at a lot of car shows, and she has some really cool cars, a big car collection. She invited us, and she invited a lot of her friends too, who have some really crazy cars, so let's go check them out. Right now, I'm standing in like the kind of older Porsches. Over there, the GT cars, and over there are the paint to sample cars. Check out this really cool Porsche diesel tractor. The 911 GT3 Turbo Cup. They call it Lucy. It has been in Pikes Peak, and I think I've seen this car once before, and it's just a crazy car. This is a 1967 Ford GT Mark IV. They've only made 10 of these in the world. They're estimating it to be around $4 million, which is really crazy. And it's been driven by Mario Andretti. So we have this really cool Ford GT with this like bronze-ish, really cool color. Look over there, there's this really special Heritage Edition Ford GT, which is like way more expensive, way more power. Oh my goodness, look, it's a Carrera GT. I haven't seen one forever. This is a really cool Porsche 993 GT2 IMSA race car. This is really cool. You can see this really cool wrap, all these different colors. Those are actually all of the livery original colors Porsche IROC Racing. These are paint to sample cars. It's like very rare and unique color cars. You normally have to pay a lot of money to get these special colors. Out of all these paint to sample colors, what one's your favorite? I think mine is probably the pink ruby stone. I really love the Urus, but one thing that really bugs me about the Urus and a lot of other cars is that they add a fake vent. I mean, why do that? It doesn't do anything. paint to sample car. So as you can see, it was a great turnout. There was a 918, 4GT Heritage Edition, a GTR R34, the V-Spec, and like a Career GT, and some amazing other crazy cars. Thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram.